Would you like a donut?
I didn't hear a thing you said. What?
Would you like a donut?
Why would I want a donut from you, especially when I just cited you? Citation's going over the speed limit. You have three options. One, pay the fine, the case be over. Two, go to traffic school, so it won't affect your record as long as you're eligible.
Okay.
Or three, June 5th, your court date. If you want to challenge it, you can do that.
Sure.
Can I get your signature? Does that look the same? It doesn't. I get you're upset.
I was not speeding, and I'm...
We don't have to agree.
Yeah.
That's fine. But
You were directly behind me. I saw you. I was keeping the pace of the road. I drive this every single day.
what pace are you talking about? There's no one in front of you.
Exactly.
Okay.
Can I...
Yeah.
You and I both know I wasn't speeding. You just felt like pulling me over.
Okay.
I'll see you in court.
All right.